OnePlus 11 5G 16GB RAM plus 256GB Titan Black US factory unlocked Android smartphone 5000 mAh battery 80W fast charging Hasselblad camera 120Hz fluid display 4nm processor. Free 6 months of Google One and YouTube Premium with purchase of OnePlus 11. New accounts only for each service to qualify. Peak performance. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset is the most advanced chipset for Android devices, with increased CPU and GPU performance. Integrated AI processes improve background app usage, delivering increased multitasking abilities. Burdenless imaging. The OnePlus 11 5G features a triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, a primary 50MP sensor, a 48MP ultrawide sensor, and 32MP telesensor. Hasselblad integration unlocks a wide range of photographic possibilities, including OnePlus Billion Color Solution, natural color calibration by Hasselblad, and Hasselblad portraits. Cinematic experience. The OnePlus 11 5G features a stunning 6.7-inch 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display, featuring 3rd Gen LTPO technology and AOD. The OnePlus 11 is now Dolby Vision compatible to deliver a more cinematic viewing experience. Coupled with added Dolby Atmos audio, the OnePlus 11 is a true entertainment powerhouse. Charge ahead. The OnePlus 11 5G comes with a 80W SuperVOOC charger straight out of the box. Improved battery health and active cooling will ensure your OnePlus 11 will have improved battery longevity. New design. The OnePlus 11 comes in 2 colorways, green and black. The circular camera module is bold and elegant, designed to stand out with its chrome accents and curved glass. Dual SIM. Support 2 physical SIMs or 1 eSIM and 1 physical SIM at the same time.